Dirty shoes can lose you jobs. Up your professionalism with the original CleanBoot. What you just saw was the original CleanBoot in action. It's a lifesaver and your clients will love you for it. Wearing the CleanBoot ensures that you can still wear your safety boots inside and protect your client's flooring at the same time. Testimonials even show jobs were won because the CleanBoots were worn during inspection, showing a high level of professionalism. It's such a simple fix for so little effort. It only takes seconds to put on, is quite affordable and makes a world of difference. Besides this, the original CleanBoot has a ton of features that make it a high quality Australian product, such as its water resistant neoprene material, its extra grippy and anti-slip soles, or its reinforced seaming. The boots last around 3 months of continuous use every day, but can last a few years with on and off use. Because of its neoprene material, the CleanBoots are washable too. So much time, effort and money can be saved using the CleanBoot than your traditional overshoes. The CleanBoot is effective and works on all types of flooring including carpets, vinyl, tiles and floorboards. Make sure you get the original CleanBoot and build your reputation as a professional who cares. You can buy the original CleanBoot from Agile Equipment. If you have any questions, visit our website or call us on 1300 092 647. Thanks for watching.